다시 하기.
냉장고에 넣을 물건. 뽀로로가 크롱에게 물건 정리를 부탁했어요. 물건들을 냉장고와 서랍에 정리할 수 있게 도와주세요. 건너뛰기.
루피 집에 다녀올 동안 사온 물건들을 정리해 줄래? 수납장과 냉장고 중 알맞은 곳에 넣어줘. 그럼.
망원경. 사과. 우유. 치즈. 달걀. 비행기. 망치. 호루라기. 오렌지.
그럼.
자동차.
크롱, 정리해줘서 고마워. 그럼.
Mango mixed a potion that made him look funny. Help him get back to normal by estimating and measuring capacity. Capacity describes how much liquid a container can hold. Measure capacity using units like these mugs. The capacity is the number of units it takes to fill the container. This beaker holds 6 mug units of juice. Make an estimate or a good guess about capacity by using what you know about another container. This beaker holds 4 units. It's about the same size as Mango's beaker, so we can estimate that Mango's beaker holds about 4 units as well. A beaker that is bigger than this will hold more than 4 units. A beaker that is smaller than this one will hold less than 4 units. Measure the capacity of this beaker. Drag the mug units to the container. Click check when you're finished. Nice measuring! Mango looks a little better, but we still have some work to do. Measure the capacity of this beaker. Drag the mug units to the container. Click check when you're finished. Cool capacity. Measure the capacity of this beaker. Drag the mug units to the container. Click check when you're finished. You're a measuring whiz. This beaker holds 7 units of bubbling blue liquid. How many units do you think it will take to fill this beaker? 6 units, 3 units, 10 units, 3 units. You're a measuring master. Mango's back to normal thanks to you. Let's try one more problem to make sure we have the correct formula. The green beaker holds 4 units of bubbling green liquid. How many units do you think it will take to fill the pink beaker? Choose the best estimate. 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. You did it! You estimate and measure capacity like a pro. Congratulations! You helped Mango mix a magic potion. You're a measuring maniac.